Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. Last time I took you through the set 1 jollyphonic sounds. Today I'm ready to take you through the set 2 sounds. But before I do so, let me just respond to the questions you asked. Jollyphonics decided to arrange the sounds the way they are because we tend to make simpler CVC words that a beginner is able to read in an easy way. Rather than when you start with A to Z, the words we make are more harder compared to how Jollyphonics arranged the sounds. Secondly, a normal human being has two sides of the brain. We have the right side, which accommodates limited number of words, and we have the left side, which is unlimited, and it accommodates as much sounds as possible. And when a learner has all the taught sounds, he or she is able to read any word that they come across, rather than using the look and say method, where when a learner has mastered a word like Mary, you'll find a learner reading any word he or she comes across starting with sound as Mary. Okay, let's get to task. Today, I'm going to take you through the set 2 sounds as I have just promised. We tend to start with these two sounds. We teach these two sounds together because it sounded the same. This is sound K for cashew, and this one is K for kite. And we also find these two in some words coming together, like the word ak, sack, dak, duck. That's why we teach it together. K for cashew nuts and K for kite. Cashew nuts, kite. Then we have e for egg. E. Then we have for hat. For hat. Then we have for rat. For rat. Our next sound is We hold our tummy and we say for meal. For man. Then we have this sound here, d for dad. D for dad. You pretend as if you're hitting a drum. D for dad. Okay, let's just go through them randomly now. E. K for kite. K for cashew nut. Then we have d. Okay, now let's try to form a word like, I'll mix sounds from set 1 with set 2 because since we've already taught the learners, we can mix the sounds. I'll take K from my set 2 and A from my set 1 and T from my set 1. So I have the word K, A, T, K, A, T, cat. K, A, T. I'm putting together the sounds to form the word cat. I can ask the learner, can you write for me the word ka, a, t? They'll be able to write ka, a, t, cat. Let me say like a, t, at. Then let me form another word like a. So we have a, man. Let me show it well. A, man. Man. We can also do sounding. Just take away this sound, then ask the learners to tell you ma. Check this one. man. We can use arm blending, like we stretch our arms and we say man. Okay, let me use these flashcards, word flashcards. We have man. How many sounds in the word man? 1, 2, 3. Good. We have sack. How many sounds in the word sack? 1, 2, 3. 2 letters but produce 1 sound. Sack. We don't say sack. We just say sack. Red. Red. His. Learners should know there are 2 letters but produce 1 sound. We have snap. 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 Stamp. 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 Pram. Pram. How many sounds are in the word pram? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. Can you write for me the word pram? Okay, thank you very much. We've come to the end of our set 2 sounds. So what you should know, after teaching like in 2 weeks time, a learner will be able to read all these words. These are set 1 words, 30 words. After you've taught set 2, they'll be able to read 90 words in 2 weeks. Thank you for today. Bye.